Welcome to the class. We have been discussing about the use of question tags. Otherwise, how to form question tags in different kinds of sentences. Now, today in this class, we are going to discuss about the second last kind of sentence where we have to and how to use, otherwise how to form the question tags. Let us look into imperative sentences. In this imperative kind of sentences, otherwise imperative sentences are those sentences which are used for asking, giving orders, request or commands. They may always take the question tags, special question tags, which are will you, won't you, could you, can't you. Won't you. When we talk about won't you is used to invite somebody. Won't you has a special usage. That is, when we invite somebody for something, then we use won't you. Take a seat. Otherwise, please take a seat. In that case, we can use won't you. Will you not taking a seat? Otherwise, you are not interested in taking a seat. So, take a seat, won't you. It means we are asking that person, we are inviting that person to take a seat. So, when we use won't you, you have to take care that when we invite the people for doing something or for giving for something, then we have to use won't you. Now, let us look into will, would, can, could. Will, would, can and could are used to tell people to do something. When we ask people to do something, then we may use will, would, can or could plus the pronoun. Will you, would you, can you, could you. It means in those cases we are asking the people to do something. Shut the door. Here, can you shut the door? Quite friendly. When we are telling somebody, can you shut the door, we are telling that person in a very friendly manner. Now, shut the door. Shut the door. Can't you? Some irritation is shown in this. Can you says quite friendly manner. Can you shows quite friendly manner, whereas can't you, it means can't you shut the door. So that is not that friendly. There the person is expressing little irritation. Shut the door. Same sentence. Would you? Very polite. Would you please? That is would plus please. That is almost a request like. Therefore it is very plus polite. That is very polite way. When we are asking someone to do something, then we are using would you. Shut the door. Will you? Will you shut the door? In this, the sound says, otherwise the tone is not that polite. It means, would you expresses more polite way of telling something or asking to do something, whereas will you is not that polite. Only will you is used in negative imperatives. When the sentence is negative, an imperative sentence is negative, then you must always take care. We always use will you for negative imperatives. Don't disturb me tonight. When we tell someone, don't disturb me, it is a negative sentence. When we have a negative imperative sentence, we must always remember that our question tag will be will you. Don't wake me up. Will you? Don't call her. Will you? So when we have the sentence, otherwise the imperative sentence in the negative form, we must always use will you as its tag. Always remember. Now we have to note one thing. Let's. Always takes the tag shall we. When a sentence begins with let's go out to play. Almost an offer like. So we are asking for the confirmation, shall we go out to play? again. Let us go out for a walk, shall we? So you must always remember, when a sentence begins with letters, the tag must be shall we. And when the sentence is negative imperative, the tag is always will you. And negative imperatives and imperative sentences and letters, all these things must be kept in mind, because imperative sentences take question tags in a different form. So this is the second last kind of sentence we are discussing in this class. The next class we shall be winding up the lesson. Thank you. Have a nice day.